If there is a sag in the motivation of the teams or a sag in performance in the middle of a PI, do a mid-PI review. This advice comes from Shane Harrison in the very popular PI Planning Cooking Show. I can highly recommend to watch the whole episode. Click the link up here. But now, let's not waste any more time and see what's in the 12th wicket. Working agreements are the backbone of successful remote PI planning. This makes it all the more important that the teams also know where they can read the jointly defined rules and behaviors. There is no better place for this than the PI Planning app. There is a canvas type especially for working agreements. Define a code of conduct, the most important workflows such as dependencies, for example, but also link types that can be used.